Hey guys, what's happening? How to add apps to Android Auto. So first of all, go ahead to your Google Play Store on your Android phone and then search for Android Auto compatible apps, right? So, after you search for Android Auto compatible apps, common ones include Spotify, YouTube Music, Waze, Google Maps, Audible, excuse me, and Apple, WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal, and you know, basically a lot other stuff too. So, pro tip: search for Android Auto apps or check, Google Play category. Okay. Next, connect to Android Auto. Once you have the apps installed, just use wired connection. Plug your phone into your car's USB port, right? And make sure your car supports wireless Android Auto. Enable Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi. Okay, and launch the Android Auto interface. Your car's infotainment screen will show Android Auto, and swipe through the apps and any compatible app will appear automatically if installed on your phone. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.